This program contains scenes of nonsensical garbage and coarse language and is intended for a mature audience. Viewer discretion is advised.
Why, hello, my little garbage bags. Welcome back to I Bought Some Shit, Let's Unbox It. Can I tell you, I am so excited for this one because I picked it up at 52 Toys and I've never seen anything like this in my life. And I was like, bitch, I need to have it. LULU Piggy. I don't know. Oh God, you're gonna see this video first, but I do have quite a few LULU Piggy collections. Listen, I have a lot of unboxing videos and I don't wanna like throw them all at you at once. So I'm just trying to like drop them in here and there, and it's a lot. And I'll probably have some for next year. It's a lot. Anyway, I love LULU Piggy. I think he's an adorable little sweetie. And when I saw that this little motherfucker was going into the office, I was like, absolutely. Now there is a hard figure, which is what I'm going to unbox today. And there's also like a little plush guy, which I will do in a separate video. I had to get both. They were like office collections. I needed them. It's just, I don't know why, but when it comes to like a little figure working in an office, I think it's because I have like a 9-to-5 office job. It just makes me feel better. Like the misery, I'm like, oh, now I have something cute to look at. And I love capitalism. So who doesn't these days? Okay. Here are all the options. Listen, all the options are pretty amazing. I love the secrets and I really want the devil boss. I want that devil boss. I want it. Although the angel boss is great. Slow snail is probably my least favorite out of the secrets. I need that devil boss. So I'm really hoping that we're lucky enough to get it. If not, I will definitely go find it somewhere because I need that one. But I love all these options. They're so cute. I can't. I can't. I simply cannot. All right. So I'm going to start with box number 1. Ooh, okay. This is kind of light. Who do I think this is going to be? I kind of have a feeling this is going to be Love My Job or maybe Survival Coffee. It's either going to be Love My Job or Survival Coffee. I'm going to say Love My Job because I love my job. Does that sound believable? Ah, bitch! Ah! I was kind of right. Survival Coffee. Ah! Okay. Okay, first of all, hold on. Oh, the card is everything. The card is everything. Oh my God. Let me put his little, I need to put his stuff together. Hold on. First of all, this is me. Okay, this is me. Actually, wait. Oh, I see you put it in his little mouth. Ah! Okay, ma'am, this is a Wendy's. This is the cute. It is the cutest thing ever. Okay, so I'm going to shove it in his mouth. I'm just gonna hold it like this because I feel like that's the only easy way to show it. But you put this little guy, you put a little tube in his mouth and he has a straight IV of coffee, which listen, I want that too. I want that too. Oh, and it's so perfect because I am drinking coffee right now. It's like Lulu knows me. Ah! I love this. Oh, that's so good. Okay, so good. Also, good luck today. Snaps for me. Box number 2. Box number 2 feels heavy. And I feel like it's going to be user offline. I don't know why. I feel like it's going to be user offline. If it's not user offline, it's going to be tea break. It's going to be one of those two, but I think it's going to be user offline. Bitch, yes! Okay, first of all. Ah! All right, so hold on. Let me just, that is adorable. Love, love, love. Love the card. Oh, I absolutely adore this. Okay, so you put him underneath the desk. Look at that ass. That's America's ass right there. You have that. And then you have these little notebooks that you put on his desk. So here's all little tiny notebooks that kind of match my nails, which is amazing actually. But, oh, that's so cute. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, I love that one. Okay. That one's adorable. Also, I kind of have a feeling that this is not going to be fun because I think if I'm right, it could be a complete fluke, but if I'm right, this is going to be Lou Can't Do It. And I think opening it in like the first row is like how it looks on the box. I hope I'm wrong, but I think it's going to be Lou Can't Do It. If it's not that, for whatever reason, if it's not that, then it's Love My Job or Budaloo. It's one of those, but I think this is going to be Lou Can't Do It. Let's see if I'm right. Ah! Okay. Oh, good. Thank God. Okay. Okay. Thank God. Because, you know, it's not fun. It's not fun when you have to open them like that. Like, I want to be, like, genuinely surprised. But it was a little dicey, though, because I was like, wait, are we really opening them up in order? No. Okay. This is slacking off, which I fucking love. I absolutely love that. I remember the days where I used to do that. Not anymore. Not with this current environment. First of all, you could rotate. Oh, shut up. Okay, first of all, here's my boy. My boy sweating. So here's my boy, okay? Nervous as all hell. Here's the little monitor, okay? So there he is. So you kind of have it like positioned where it's like that, pretty much. Let me show you the cute thing now about it. So as you can see, boy is playing some sort of like pig Candy Crush game, right? Then you move the little apple, I guess, or is it tomato, on top of the screen. And then it changes it to this because his boss is a mean old man. And I love that. And I think I'm gonna leave it at the mean old man, okay? Because it's too real. Oh, I think this is my favorite one so far. I love it. Oh, it's so good. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. All right, box number 4. Oh, this feels heavy. This feels heavy, but is it heavier? Heavier. Oh God. Oh no, that feels heavy too. Oh, that's really heavy. All right. I think this is going to be either Love My Job or Budaloo, but I think it's going to be Budaloo. If it's not Budaloo or Love My Job, here's my third option. It'll be ID Snapshot, but I think final answer, Budaloo. Budaloo. Every time I hear Lou, I think of Sonia Morgan. Every time she saw like Luann de Lesseps, Lou! That's what I think of. Lou! Come on, Budaloo. Bitch! Yeah! Okay. Knew it, bro. Life is so good. Life is so good. There you go. There's the card. Now let me put, there's a lot of pieces to this one. Actually quite simple. Oh, it's so, literally the laptop says error on it. We've all been there. Oh my God, first of all, this matches my nails so perfectly. This is fucking precious. Ah! I love you. I love this one. We have 4 boxes left, okay? I really want that Bad Boss one so badly. This one, oh, this one kind of feels light. I think it's gonna be Love My Job. If it's not Love My Job, it's gonna be Tea Break. Yeah, I think it's gonna be Love My Job or Tea Break, but I'm gonna say it's gonna be Love My Job. Let's see if I'm right. A lot of little pieces. Okay. Oh my God. So many pieces. Okay. Told you it was going to be Tea Break. Well, it was one of the ones I chose. Here's the card. Love that. Love Tea Break. Okay. Let me put it together because there's a lot. First of all, this is the cutest thing I've ever seen. There are little tiny piggy ice cubes and you put it in the cup. And then, shut up. This has to sit on my desk. This has to sit on my desk. I'm sorry. And then you put the little straw like that. And then, okay, this is sitting on my desk. This is my favorite one. Okay. He's like this. He's just so happy. Oh God. All right, I think I need to do it where, so it's gonna look pretty much like this. He is so happy. He is absolutely stunning. And I just couldn't relate more. Okay. I just couldn't relate more. That is everything. This collection, oh God, there's so many good piggy collections. This one might be my favorite though. I say that about all of them, but I think this one actually might be my favorite. Okay, so I have 3 boxes left. I think this one's gonna be Love My Job. If it's not Love My Job, it's gonna be Lou Can't Do It. It's either Love My Job or Lou Can't Do It. I really want to have the fucking secret boss, but I just don't think we're gonna get it, and it's so sad. But I think this one's gonna be Love My Job. Oh no, it's Lou Can't Do It? Yep, no. Ah, we got the special, ah! Okay, wait, hold on a second. No. Can I take that scream back? Ah! Bitch. Okay, first of all, though, this is cute. And I'm kind of glad that I got this one. It's called ID Snapshot. Okay, here's ID Snapshot. There's the card. So cute. First of all, mother is laying on the copier. Okay, and then what comes out of the copier? These tiny little pictures that you also include too. So it's them, him there, and then of course him just getting all up from the bright lights. So essentially, basically looks like this. Oh, you know, it's not gonna work. Okay, this, can I put all of these on my desk? Like I need all of them on my desk. Okay, well that's what they're supposed to look like. I want all of them on my desk. They're all worthy. All right, you're so cute. I simply cannot. Okay, so let me put the little pictures there. All right, 2 boxes left, okay. All right, this one has to be Lou Can't Do It. This is gonna be Lou Can't Do It. Final answer, but I really want it to be the secret. Okay, no, it's not, but I love my job. First of all, I didn't even notice that he's filled with rage like I am on a day-to-day basis. Look at that little fire in his eyes. Oh my God, that's so good. That's so good. There you go. There's him in his glory with his QED reports. This is satisfying. This is disgustingly satisfying. You know, I hate how much this feels so real. Because this is me every August, essentially. And I think for that, this might be my number one because I'm filming this in July. And you're gonna see this actually in July. Executive decision, you're gonna see this in July. But this though, this is me every August. Holding a bunch of reports and screaming into the void. That's fucking me. Oh, okay, you're gonna be at my desk. Watch out, T-boy, all right? That one's gonna be there. We have one box left. This has to be Lou Can't Do It. I really want it to be the boss, but I think it's gonna be Lou Can't Do It. I knew it. I knew it. Still very, very cute. Okay, 10 out of 10. Still very cute, but I really wanted that boss. Okay, all right, let me clear up these boxes and then let's rank these little babies. Okay, coming in last place, because I have to pick one of them. But listen, Lou Can't Do It. I don't like the negativity, okay? I don't like the negativity because Lou can do it. And I think out of all of them, it's probably my least favorite. And am I a little butthurt that I didn't get the secret? Yeah, I am. But I'm gonna say in last place, this is Lou Can't Do It. Which listen, it's still very, very cute. Like I like his little ID badge. I think this is like a little, I don't even know, what is that? Actually, I have no idea what the hell's on the top of your head. But, but I mean, it's cute. But I think the other ones are just a little bit cuter in my opinion. So he would be number 8. Then number 7, this is hard because I love all of them. But I think number 7 would be, I think Budaloo. I think Budaloo, as much as I love the little lotus flower, I love the little error screen. As you can see, like he has a little error screen right there. And I just think this is like really adorable. And if I worked in an actual proper office, this would probably be on top of my cubicle wall. Just being like, hello, that's me. Positive vibes only. I love this one, but I just think the other ones are just far more cuter. So we're gonna say this one is number 7. Now number 6. Number 6. I love them all. This is really hard. Goddamn. Okay. But I have to, right? They're gonna throw me in a volcano if I don't pick. Number 6 is going to be my survival coffee. This one is really cute too, and I do love that he has like a little sweater on. I love the grandpa sweater. You know, if he had like little glasses, that would just fucking kill it. But I do love the little IV. It is though a little pain. It is though a little pain in the ass to shove it in his mouth though. It kind of doesn't really stick there. So that's kind of like one of the reasons why I'm also gonna put it for number 6 because like, it's not getting into the hole, you know? But this one is super cute though, and I do love him, but he's number 6 though. Then number 5 would have to be probably user offline. So you have the little books here. I love his little ass. He kind of sits underneath the desk like this. This one is really cute and I love it. And I kind of want to put this on my desk purely because it has a desk and we could both be at our desks together. And I love that. But I think the other ones in his collection are a little bit cuter. So that's why we're going to put him in number 5. Number 4 is going to be my copy machine boy. This is called ID Snapshot. This is so cute. I love that he's just like laying on top of the copier machine. I love that you get these little printouts. Okay, that's really, really cute. And the only thing though, I wish the little tray would come out. Oh, it does! Ah! Okay, wait a second, bitch. Okay. Oh, that's so good. Oh, that's so good. I was like, why is this not coming out? No, it can come out. Okay, now they sit perfectly. Oh, I love that. I love that. I'm glad that I have you as number 4. And number 3, this is hard because I really love the next 3 and they're really hard to kind of like pick which one's better than the next, but I'm gonna have to do it because they're gonna throw me in a volcano if I don't do it otherwise. I'm gonna say number 3 is gonna be Slacking Off. Slacking Off is cute, okay? Like I love that he's just like behind the monitor like, you know, nervous laughter. I love that you have the evil boss there, okay? Also love that we could switch screens and we could put it to good old Candy Crush, okay? I kind of almost want to be psychotic when I have this on my desk because I'm going to eventually put all of these on my desk. So during the workday, have the angry little manager, and then when it's after 5, we switch it. Even though that has nothing to do with slacking off, that's actually what companies want you to do. Maybe I need to live in whimsy more. Maybe I need to play a little bit more Candy Crush during the workday. Anyway, this one is just really cute, but I love the angry boss. The angry boss is fucking everything, and it just makes me so happy. So I love that. The only thing though it's kind of weird is that you do get this extra piece here, and I think it's like a balancing thing. So I kind of have to figure out how to like position this on my desk, but I love it. 10 out of 10. Number 2. I think number 2 is going to be I love my job. Although I want this to be on my desk permanently because, again, this is me. This is me every summer when I'm at my busiest, and I love it. I love like the CBS style receipt of reports. I love how he's angry. This is literally me. This is me to a T. 10 out of 10. That's number 2. But I think number 1 and the cutest one is tea break. Ah! I love this. I love the cup. And I love the little different components that you get with this. So like I love the little piggy ice cubes. I just love that you're setting the scene. And listen, we work really hard in this house. And sometimes we just need a little bit of a tea break. For me, it's a coffee break. So I'm just going to insert coffee break here. But I just think it's so cute and it just makes me happy. This one's so good. This is a 10 out of 10. I love it. So this series exceeded my expectations. I cannot wait to open up the little plush pendants though. And I am gonna do it because I think I have a little time before I have to go to my job. I do. I'm gonna open that up, but that'll be another video. You'll probably see that next week or maybe like a random Thursday or something like that. But anyway, now I would love to hear from y'all. Let me know down below if you have LULU Piggy and if you have this series. If not, do you have any other LULU Piggy series? And if so, which ones are your favorites? Also, how cute is that fucking secret? I'm so sad. So sad that I don't have it. I need to find it. I don't even care how much it is. I just want it. Unless it's like $300, then we're not doing it. Then I'll just dream about it from afar. But we shall see. Anyway, I want to say thank you so much to my beautiful patrons and YouTube members for keeping this garbage boat afloat. I love your faces, and I'll see you little garbage cans real soon. Bye.